Third grade. Third grade, also called grade 3, equivalent to year 4, in the UK is a year of primary education in many countries. It is the third school year of primary school. Students are usually 8-9 years old, depending on when their birthday occurs. Examples of the American syllabus. In math, students are usually introduced to multiplication and division facts, place value to thousands or 10,000s, and estimation. Depending on the school, students may even begin to work on long division. Decimals to tenths only are sometimes introduced. Students begin to work on problem-solving skills, working to explain their thinking in mathematical terms. In science, third graders are taught basic physics and chemistry. Weather and climate are also taught. The concept of atoms and molecules are common, the states of matter and energy, along with basic elements such as oxygen, hydrogen, gold, zinc, and iron. Nutrition is also taught in third grade, along with chemistry. Social studies begin a study of the culture of the United States and basic idea of the early part of the United States from the time of Native Americans to the Civil War. Outward expansion and the gold rush is covered. In reading, third grade students begin working more on text comprehension than decoding strategies. Students also begin reading harder chapter books. They read and distinguish between a variety of genres: realistic fiction, nonfiction, poetry, fantasy, historical fiction, science fiction, and folktales. Grade 3 students learn how to work on projects on their own and with others. This may start as early as second and first grade as well. Social skills, empathy, and leadership are considered by some educators to be as important to develop as the academic skills of reading, writing, and arithmetic. Australian equivalent. In Australia, this level of class is called Year 3. Children generally start this level between the ages of 8 and 9. Brazilian equivalent. In Brazil, children begin their first year of elementary school at age 6 or 7 depending on their birth date. Therefore, the third year of elementary school is typically for students of 96 months, 9 years, 108 months of age. All children's students must be 8 years old before the cut-off date. British equivalent. At the same age, and Welsh pupils are in their fourth year of compulsory education. In Northern Ireland, and Scottish pupils are in primary 4, their fourth year of compulsory education. In England, the year of school, that is the same age as third grade, is year 4, which is the fourth year of compulsory education. Most children start 1 year earlier, however, in the reception class. Canadian equivalent. In Canada, the year is called grade 3, and the pupils are known as third grade. French equivalent. In France, children aged 8 join C-étoile cours élémentaire Duxem Annie, the third school year of primary school. It was formerly called Neuvième, 9th year before terminale, the baccalaureate year. Greece equivalent. Indian equivalent. In India, children enter class 3 or 4 at ages 8 to 9. Irish equivalent. In the Republic of Ireland, the equivalent is third class or rang a try for 9-10-year-olds, which is the 5th year of primary school. New Zealand equivalent. In New Zealand, this level of class is called Standard 2 or Year 4. Children generally start this level between the ages of 8 and 9. Portuguese equivalent. In Portugal, the third grade Terceiro Ano 3. O ano is the third year of the 4-year 1. O ciclo do ensino básico, that includes also the first grade, the second grade, and the fourth grade. Spanish equivalent. In Spain, for children from 8 to 9 years old is also the third year of elementary education, Tercero de EGB, Tercero de Primaria. Also, elementary education is further subdivided into 2 stages. This is the third year in the first stage, or primaria in Spanish. References equals,